everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Lidia here, and today, as you could already see from the beginning of this video, I'm sharing with you the beauty of our finished diamond painting project. First of all credits belongs to my mom. She's the one who had the pleasure to work on it. In the presentation video I tried to show you as best as possible how gorgeous the diamonds / drills / gems, whatever you name them, are shining under the sun, how shimmer they depending on what angle the rays of the sun fall on the brick of diamonds. It's all so cool and beautifully looking that my mother and I are delighted with this painting and with the technique as a whole. If you like this particular painting, this design, you are welcome to review from here the unboxing of this kit. It's in Romanian language but has English subtitles. And first impressions, our experience with this diamond painting, I already told you in the previous video from this channel. You are also welcome to see it. I'm just reminding that this kit is brought from Aliexpress, Huacan official store. Its size is almost about 60 by 80 centimeters and it has square drills. Today I would like to update my previous video with new observations that make sense to highlight. This painting took my mom 2 months to finish, which I believe is a very good result, as the size of the painting is quite impressive. And it's mostly because she have been working daily on this project. Half of a day, each day, day by day, has been dedicated to this activity. And my first observation would be about the diamond's shape. Unfortunately, not for all colors the size of the diamonds is equal. For some drills the shape is a bit narrower than it should be. And for example, we have a decent chunk of solid white color, which is not looking very well when you look closer. As you can see, it has different small spaces between diamonds. Some of them are bigger, others are smaller, and it spoils a bit the whole image of a painting. I'm not sure why does it happen. Maybe it's not the best quality of the diamonds, but still, it's a very good quality price ratio. I paid about $19 for it. But there are still a place for improvements. It just seems that sometimes the drills have different sizes and it's not always noticeable with a naked eye. Same problem happens also to few other colors, but for those it's not so visible. In general, as you know, defects are mostly highlighted on white pale colors, especially if it's displayed over a large area. But as the colors become darker and mixed with each other, this issue is not so visible already. For example, I have some other minor decent chunk of solid black color here in the trees, but because it's black, the darkest possible color, and because it's on the black background, the space between drills is not bothering us, it's not highlighted at all. That could be one of the reasons why most people prefer to work with round drills. Because in diamond painting with round drills, it's easier to align the diamonds on the canvas. You basically don't have to be careful to align them perfectly. And it seems that working with square drills is more challenging. And my second observation about this particular kit is the quantity of the diamonds. I already told you the meaning of these numbers on the zip packages. The first one is the color number, the second one is the corresponding DMC number, and the last one is the supposed quantity of the diamonds in the package, which should be always bigger than the required quantity for each corresponding color to be able to finish the project. But unfortunately, it turns out that for some colors the numbers are not quite accurate. And I had, for example, for these 4 colors, very few diamonds left after I finished the project. For this particular green color, I have only 4 diamonds left, which is very little. That being said, you should be careful with the diamonds from this kit, so that they do not crumple and do not get lost. If my mom had not been careful and had lost the diamonds of this color, we would have ended up in a situation where we would not have had enough diamonds to finish this project in recommended color palette. In this case, we would need to use our imagination and inspiration. We would need to be creative to replace them with some closer colors that are available. At the end, I think the whole design wouldn't suffer too much in our case because it's a simple landscape and few color adjustments are possible. But for other designs where you have contrast colors, some well-defined and highlighted shapes, probably this will not be the case. You would not be able to replace those with some other available colors. And you would need to order some additional drills to be able to finish the project. So, I'm kindly requesting the seller to be more careful, to check better the quantity of the diamonds and to provide a little bit more supplementary colors. But on the other hand, for the rest of the colors we have indeed an impressive amount of left supplementary diamonds. My particular painting is using 45 colors and only for 5 I had this limited number of colors. For the others, as you can already see, I have an impressive collections of remaining colors. And from the beginning we had the biggest amount of white and black drills, and correspondingly for these colors I do have the biggest amount of supplementary left drills. All the remaining supplementary drills are very welcome. We will be using them in some other small projects. I will try to make myself creative, to think where they could fit most, for example in decorating some household items, Christmas tree toys. In any small project it would be looking great. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. I will show you where I will apply these supplementary drills. Maybe I will share with you my own designs that I created for small projects. Also, in the kit we had 2 such rectangles waxes and only one has been used. The second one has been just started. Basically only the half of the provided wax material has been used, which is also great. But I have some wax left that can be reused in next project. That would be all my updates about this particular diamond painting kit from Huacan. Overall, I'm delighted with this final result. I'm looking forward to frame it and to see it on its final shape on the wall. And I'm looking forward to purchase new kits from Huacan. Also, so far the diamond seems to stick strong enough. I don't have bad experiences with them yet. Only a very few have fallen so far, but I also applied some additional actions to them, which I will describe you in next video. I hope you liked this gorgeous painting and video itself. In this case, you are welcome to comment, like and subscribe to my channel. In upcoming videos I will be showing you my next diamond painting and cross-stitch projects and maybe a few other handwork projects. Also, I will be sharing with you my experience and practical advices about those. Bottom line, wishing you many free time that you would be able to dedicate to your loving hobby. Take care of yourself and be creative.